Hello friends, let's all do the flying bottle experiment together now. We'll fill both bottles with rice. Let's start putting our rice in. Fill the second bottle with rice, but each time you fill it, hit the bottle against the table a few times so that the rice becomes firmer and more compact. We have filled both of our plastic bottles with rice. We filled one of them by hitting it on the bottom every time to make it more compact and filled it up to the brim. We just poured the rice into the other one, so the other one became more compact. Now let's stick our pencils into both and lift them up to see what will happen. As you can see, only one of our plastic bottles lifted. Discuss with your friends why this happened.